So I'm in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm at the Atlanta Market Center, and I'm with Stacy Borocz of Etu Home. I love this company, and I followed it for a while, but what I love is that at this market, I found out that they are introducing cabinets that are amazing. So Stacy Borocz is going to talk with us about that. Thank you for joining me, and talk with me about this wonderful new concept that you're doing.
So basically, at TheHome, we're all about the European kitchen. So in Europe, one of the really interesting things is they actually don't build in their kitchen cabinets. And as Americans, we're very used to custom kitchen cabinets, and no one would imagine buying a home or building a home without that. So what we are doing is something amazing for new homes and also fabulous for remodels, and that is modular kitchen units. So as you can see, Ellen, we have great units. They come in 24 inches, 30 inches, 36 inches, and 48 inches. So really it's a concept of how long is your run? Do you want a 10-foot run, a 9-foot run? And then you basically divide by 6, pick the units that you love, and pop them right in against your wall. We offer them a multitude of ways, whether it's with hardware, without hardware, with 19th century wood. We offer Beechwood, or the customer can choose their own top if they want to do quartz, if they want to do marble, and it's real simple. We have really brought the concept of modular kitchen furniture to the next level for the consumer, and it's so simple.
It's also not just the bottom cabinets, though. These are great units on top that you can put on there to have your display.
Yes, and this is actually one of the most important pieces of the whole concept, is the French metal vitrines. So in France, vitrine is basically showcase, and they can sit on the counter or they can be braced into the wall.
And so that's another thing I want to say is all the different colors that you have.
It's kind of ridiculous, but this is what we offer. Any color you want, you can have.